friends, welcome to my channel. Let's go to today's topic known as color prediction trade. Okay, first point we have to know is where these websites are created and when they implemented in India. First of all, I will tell you about when it is started. It started in India at the end of January month. And second, where are these websites created is the point. I will tell you middle of this video, but trust me, you are gonna shock that where these websites are created. I hereby show you 100% proofs what I gathered, but it's your choice to play the game or leave. And you have to take decision is it scam or not. Let's go to proofs. Whoever is joined in any clubs such as Fairy, Mary, Bonin, Terry, Coem, etc. is done only by two ways. As your friend suggested you or a message that has been sent to you as shown in this picture. After joining to their club, you will see an option like to play games by WinGo or Win section. Here you can trade. And here it shows the previous record trade. Here is the brainwash paragraph is known rule of guess. Here it deals about how you have to trade by the colors and numbers to join in trade. Why your friend is suggesting or referring to any clubs? The main reason behind is promotional balance. If you join with your friend referral, then if you trade means the service tax is deducting. The service tax amount will be converted as a commission to your friend. Why? Because you are a referee to him. After registering, you will be added in a WhatsApp group. For first 1 to 2 weeks, they will give around 70% accuracy. Later they got good referrals. Then they start their strategy to give wrong answer with 0% accuracy. Okay, after huge loss, then they again start their new strategy to convince you. They will give you a telegram group. They told that our best investors and teachers will give you good accuracy and suggestions. And you will join and you find out good because they will give you again 70% accuracy for 1 week. They will start their own strategy that to lose your money as they gave you wrong answers. Here my question is if anyone saw this picture means you identify something known as time. In 1 minute they are giving around 10 trade answers. How is it possible here? So you have to think that they will know the answer. And here it is another telegram channel known as Terion Endings. You can see there 1,31,289 subscribers are there. Slow no? In these groups, no promoters will answer you. Only who have knowledge on tips and tricks and rules they will guide you. In those groups, they will use a method known as triple investment method. It is high risk. Only 10% will be profited. Another 90% are in loss. If you join in any clubs, the promoters or your referrals or your friends will give you an rules. These are 10 rules which majorly they will say. By these rules, major people status are lost. Only few people are only earned. I like to thank Mr. Pranav Venkat who done the research about these clubs. While he is digging about the club process step by step, he found that the website originated in Hong Kong. Okay, now my first question is where is Hong Kong located? Search it in Chrome, you will find the answer. And when goes with the deep investigation about the PHP and HTML pages, they are programmed in as Mandarin. Okay, now my second question is Mandarin language are used by whom? Here Bodger given a statement that it is originated in India in 2018, but it is 100% false statement. Here is the proof that given by Pranav Venkat that it actually registered on May and again it is updated on July and it expires on 2021. So I declared that these clubs are giving false statement regularly. Here I am showing various clubs that we are using daily life from January to now. Here I am showing an example of two clubs named as Retty Club and Bonin Club. Their logo and name are only changed. Remaining every part is same. Even internal program is also same. Here are some common points between clubs. They clearly stated as an Indian company. Even we can write by using basic HTML syntax. known as body or paragraph. If you saw the mail address of different merchants, their names not look like Indians. And Mr. Pranav Venkat stated as these all are Chinese official accounts. And we all know that the promoters will promote you as they will give you bonus, salaries, commissions, etc. But their phone numbers are proofless ones. So if we find any mistake, if we call them means we will not able to take calls. Why? Because someone will handle other calls. The host linkedin.com, which is mentioned as an email for gog.in, it also belongs to China. However, the address is given as fake one. See here, so many YouTubers are promoting different clubs. Why? Because they are not helping to you. They want their commission. That's why they are joining with you. They will also give you tips, tricks, and rules to trade. If you go with them, you want profit means you have to make sure whether your account has sufficient funds or not. Because only triple investment method you will get profit or else you will lose. Game plan. This is for your reference only. If green amount is greater than red amount, then it will print red amount. If red amount is greater than green, then it will print green amount. If both are equal, means red and green are equal, then it will print violet. See how they are profited means only by referrals. If you are referrals every day watching those websites means you are creating website traffic. Google or some affiliate programs will give them money. And next thing their software will works to get benefit to company, not the users. This is how they are playing strategies. Here is how our data that they are using. First of all, we have to take a look at why it is not in Play Store. Play Store doesn't accept it means something their privacy policy are wrong. Also, I concluded that our data is thefting. How means they are attaching cache files and cookies. If we allow the file storage and contacts means they have the access to store our data and they will be transformed to their third parties. So here my suggestion, if you still want to play means use incognito mode which is available in Chrome or any browser. Their only internet service provider and website admin can access, but they cannot store your data. If you are agreeing with their policy means you are the reasonable person who is transferring your personal information directly. Here they are saying that they will collect your personal data and it will send it to outer state, province or outer country. They thought that there is a government jurisdiction, the data protection law, something blah 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 they will tell. These all are bullshit. As we all know that from past 2 days, any clubs are not able to withdraw or recharge. Why? Because they state that the government is doing some work or negotiation with the bank. No government will give permission to those money laundering website. So be careful, guys. See, I am giving here two website links in description. Go through those links. You might get some better information. If you have any doubts, comment section is open. Comment down. I will give you a reply. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe.